All right, I had a really great day today. I only traded, it was one and done for me on Workhorse. My watch list was Neo, Nikola, Space, and Workhorse today. But again, only traded Workhorse. And this is kind of a textbook pattern for me. You see it started off strong, hit this level here, and then was very bearish. Really strong bearish candle on nice bearish volume. So I'm very interested at this point. And then you see it come up on much lower volume here. So that's key. Relative to the previous candle, the bullish volume is much shorter. It comes up, it hits all these MAs, 200 MA, the 100 MA, and VWAP all right here, as well as the $19 mark. So a lot of reasons that this might be good resistance here. So and then if you look at the 5-minute chart, this is also the 50 MA on the 5-minute. So all sorts of resistance. So it came back. I wanted to get in right around 19. I ended up getting in at 1894. And then took a partial. So usually, again, this is my bearish boot pattern here. And at the time that I take my entry, you have to remember that I only see this much of the pattern. So it doesn't look like a boot yet when you take it. But I got in right at 1894 here. I usually partial at the end of the previous candle and then usually try and get a partial at the low of the day, because sometimes you'll see this pattern get to here and then decide it's a long and take off. But took a partial here. My only mistake is my second partial I took too quickly. So I really regret this partial right here. I wish I would have waited for the low of the day, but I'll still take it. I got a couple more partials in because this candlestick happened really quick. So it is just dumping as I'm getting out there. And then I got my last partial here on this hammer. It was a hammer on really strong bullish volume. So there's a chance the pattern's either over or over for a while. So I went ahead and went all out right here. You did see eventually, like 10, 15 minutes later, we are going back down. So if I wanted to, I could have held on for the larger move. And there's nothing wrong with that, but I just didn't have that big a share size left. And on this big a volume, I'll usually just get out of my position at that point. So that was my day. Hopefully everyone else had a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow.